This isn't a do not invest video. This is a slow down and protect yourself conversation. Now, most investing mistakes don't happen because people are careless. They happen because people don't know these red flags early on. So, today I'll go over three red flags. The first red flag, confusing activity with progress. And what I mean is you're watching a lot of videos. Now, this feels responsible, and it is. You're opening a lot of accounts, you're opening apps, you're doing a lot. And this feels like you're doing something. So at least you're active and you're also researching a lot. And this makes you feel safer. But the truth is, none of these move your money forward. And progress really feels and looks boring and small. And if you've been getting ready to invest for months, this is usually a sign. Now, that doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. It just means you're stuck in learning mode. And we want to get out of learning mode and start taking some action. So, next red flag is chasing the hype or social media trends. Now, algorithms don't really know your financial life. Everybody's financial life is different. And viral does not mean appropriate for you. And other people's excitement is not really a strategy. If you're buying something that everyone is talking about, just pause. Just pause. TikTok said it, and it might be an immediate red flag because TikTok said it. It's normal to have curiosity and be interested about different things, but it's not okay to jump without understanding. Being just calming, just let's calm it down. Boring investing usually works better than exciting investing. So, red flag number three, anything promised, anything promising guaranteed returns is a red flag. That's because the market has its ups and downs, and guarantees in the market does not exist. In fact, investing is risk investing is risky, so you want to know that so you're not fooled by anyone guaranteeing you returns. And this is often a scam if you hear it. So please be mindful. This is not to make you fearful. It's about protecting yourself. If it sounds too smooth, too fast, too perfect, it usually is. So let me just connect the dots for you. Urgency is usually a red flag. If someone says you have to jump on something quickly before it goes away, or you're going to miss this opportunity, it's usually a red flag. And urgency leads to rush decisions. And rush decisions lead to costing you money. And we don't want that. Good investing feels calm, it's less frantic, and it's a cue to slow down. So if you need to know. There's a lot of red flags out there, and it's easier to spot when you know the basic investing language. And I've put together a simple beginner guide that explains terms without overwhelming you. And I think it's really good, not just because I did it, but it's a very good starting point. That is linked below. So in this video, I hope you've learned 3 red flags, and I hope you like this video. Please comment. Let me know. Have you heard any of these red flags? Did you know to look out for these things? Once again, comment, subscribe, and like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.